Te dni je na Univerzi na Primorskem potekal mednarodni teden v organizaciji sektorja za izobraževalno in mednarodno dejavnost ter kakovost v sodelovanju s predstavniki članic Univerze na Primorskem. Kako so udeleženci preživljali čas in kaj vse so počeli, je povedala vodja sektorja Tatjana Mikelič-Goja.
Here we are at our 7th International Week of the University of Primorska, hosting 25 participants from 11 countries. They're learning about our country and about our university. We have some very interesting lectures and workshops for them, and I hope they're enjoying their stay in Koper.
Udeleženci se v Sloveniji počutijo prijetno.
I really like also International Staff Week. It's my first week ever where I participate like a staff member, and yeah, those few days was quite interesting. I met a lot of interesting people, and I think we will make some future project like later with those who are here. So yeah, I'm really appreciate this opportunity. Thank you.
And I'm very excited to be here in Slovenia. I'm learning loads and excited to meet a lot of my European colleagues. Thank you.
We're from Adam Mickiewicz University in Poland, and this is our first time in Slovenia. We really enjoy it.
Mednarodni teden Univerze na Primorskem je odlična priložnost za tkanje novih povezav. Kot smo slišali, nastajajo nove pobude za projekte, zato organizatorjem ob ponovni izvedbi čestitamo.